Hello friends, how to clean up our hard disk? If you are running out of space, we can certainly clean up our hard disk for to certain extents. Disk cleanup. This we have to do periodically so that we can increase the performance of our laptop or desktop and clean up the space. How to go to disk cleanup? So type in the search box disk cleanup. You can see on the top disk cleanup, just hit that icon, and by default it is Windows C. We can clean D or F drive, so click OK, and it will show the number of different files and amount of space is consumed. So here I already cleaned this drive, so you will not see much of files here, and please check the box recycle bin and hit OK. In this way we can clean our C drive by using disk cleanup app. It is free and inbuilt app in Windows. And similarly, we have just now we cleaned Windows C drive. We can clean F, D or whatever drive you have in your laptop or desktop. We can clean this all temporary cookies, temporary files, unwanted files. That is disk cleanup. We'll see another way. This is again the Windows 10 update. You have got a storage sense where Windows, if you check it on, Windows will automatically free up spaces and delete unwanted files automatically periodically, maybe once in month. How to go to the storage sense? In the search box, type setting and hit that icon setting. So there are different icons here. You just click on systems and scroll down. You'll see a storage. Just hit that icon and you can see the storage sense. If it is off, you click it to on, so that Windows will automatically free up space by deleting temporary files periodically. Even you can check free up space in that storage sense. That is storage sense. But to go to setting, you can even, there's a shortcut key called Window A where you can get Action Center and you can go to all setting and you can go to storage. You can delete temporary files by yourself. I will show the way. Just in the search box type run, R-U-N. There will be dialog box open. You type there %temp %temp in the run dialog box and hit OK. You will see lot of unwanted temporary files. These files we can delete. There will not be any problem if you delete this. Just select all. How to select all? Control A and hit delete. So all the file will be deleted. Some files will remain there because running on the background, and also we have to run as an administrator, then all the files we can delete. So lot of temporary files we can delete by doing Control R, run and type %temp%. A very important way is, again, there is an inbuilt app called Defragment and optimize drives. How to locate this app? It's very simple. Search Defragment. Type Defragment. You'll see on the top Defragment and optimize drive. Hit on that icon. Here you need to keep in your mind, it is not advisable to defragment SSD drive or solid state drive because Windows will automatically defragment. Just click hard disk drive, here in this case F, and click on analyze. It will analyze what are the files which need to be defragmented. And this option better to do whenever you are free out of work, because it takes lot of time. Whenever you install new program, it will be written on your disk, and maybe there are different spaces it will take allocate. So by defragmenting, all the files will come in one position, so that it will free up the space and enhance the performance of your computer. That is defragment and optimize drives. Again, each drive you have to do individually, and keep in mind, don't defragment SSD drive. Windows will do automatically. Only you have to defragment hard disk. The last way, you should uninstall unwanted apps. I am quite sure you have a lot of apps installed in your desktop or laptop. Why to keep if you are not using it? How to uninstall apps? Okay, go to control panel and go to program and hit on uninstall a program. Here you can see all the programs installed in your computer. So just hit that unwanted app and check uninstall. Click yes. It will be uninstalled from your computer. So another way of uninstalling program is just click on the program you want to and right click on that particular program and hit uninstall and hit yes. This way also we can uninstall the unwanted or unused apps. So these are the 5 important way we can clean up or free up the spaces of our hard disk and increase the performance. Disk cleanup, disk defragment, uninstall unwanted apps, delete temporary files. Thanks for watching.